All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we're going to be learning how to do our robot operation activity. And this is a template that should be provided in your kits, but you can also create your own version of robot operation. All that you would need to do is create your own drawing and use that drawing to design your circuit around it, your operation circuit. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to be needing a few things. The first thing that we are going to need is our copper tape. First and foremost, it's an important part of this particular circuit, not all our circuits. We're going to need our buzzer, and we are going to need a fresh coin cell battery. If you have some that are open, you could just give it a quick little test if you're not sure if it has juice. So that one does work, so we are good to go. And last but not least, some Scotch tape. It's always good to have Scotch tape around because it's an insulator. Okay, so our first step for this circuit, and it's actually the major step that we're going to be doing, is we're going to be laying down copper tape all along these lines. Now you can feel free to turn your corners, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be laying it down over, and you'll see how I do that. So you're going to want to follow these transparent lines if I didn't make that clear earlier. Finished setting up your copper tape, your next step is to take your coin cell battery, take a little bit of copper tape, and let's roll that on itself. Make a little bit of double-sided copper tape. Doesn't need to be too much, just some double-sided like this. Then we're going to put it on the bottom side, not the plus side, the negative side. And we're going to put it right on top of our copper tape so that the plus side is facing up. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our buzzer, and we're going to take the red wire on our buzzer, and we're going to, with our Scotch tape, tape it down, and also to put the tape on the battery to kind of help keep the battery in place on the paper. So you're going to want to make sure that that's nice and tight. Okay, so that is our operation circuit. Now you might be asking yourself, how does this work? And what we've done here is we've created multiple open paths where we could now use our buzzer to test out the different body parts on our robot, like in operation. So that's his robot heart. There we got his robot elbow. His hand, okay. He's reacting. He's responsive. What about his other foot? So if for some reason you're not getting the sound, you should definitely check over all your connections and make sure that these are nice and neat. Check the different points. Maybe there's a break along this part of the circuit, but maybe this and this point will work as well. There's a lot of different ways we can troubleshoot, and you could discuss that with your mentor or your educator.